Welcome, Jefferson. Here we go. We are hitting the books today because tomorrow is our Unit 1 test. So today our focus is all over review. If you have forgotten what topics we have already talked about and what could possibly be on your test tomorrow, here is your list. So living or non-living, can you determine the difference? Is it a plant or an animal? Classification, remember Linnaeus and his classification system, you might need to go review what those words mean. We talked cell theory and all of those dead guys that helped us figure out all cells come from somewhere and that everything is made up of cells and that cells are the building blocks of life. So make sure you know your scientists and what they did. What was their contribution to that cell theory? Prokaryote versus eukaryote. Do you know the difference? I do. Do you? That's the question. And then organelles and their function. So what not only is their function, but what do they look like? And is it in a plant, an animal, or are they in both? That's all could potentially be on your quiz tomorrow. Or on your test tomorrow. It's not even a quiz. Your test tomorrow. So today, to help you review, if you are with us, we are going to play this game in class together. If you are at home, not with us today, sad face, you can still play this game on your own. You're going to go right here, Unit 1 review game, under me sitting on the books, and you are going to launch your own Kahoot. So, if you're playing at home, all you have to do is enter in your name. Oh, Mrs. Love, look. Oh. Okay, go. And then it's going to ask you the questions. So you are going to review. I'm going to stop that. You are going to review for your quiz or your test tomorrow. Also, you made flashcards. We made flashcards. And if you forget, it was a Thursday. There's also some on for the GIM kits where we did them in class. So you can either use the class ones or the ones that you made at home to review those cell organelles. You have access via all of these links of everything that we went through under Unit 1. Go back, look back through those PowerPoints if you need to. Look back at the readings. If you, they should still be active in your Pearson book. They're probably either in progress or completed, but you can still access those. So go back and relook at those if you need to. But be prepared. The test is tomorrow.